How do you say small in Irish? If you are traveling to Ireland and want to connect with the locals, knowing how to say small in Irish can be quite handy. The most common word for small is beg. This word is used to describe something that is little in size, short, or fine. For example, if you want to say a small village, you would say Us Rudpula Beg. When you are in Ireland, you might find this word useful in various situations. Imagine you are at a restaurant and want to order a smaller portion. You can ask for a beg portion, which means you would like a small serving. This can be especially helpful if you are trying to sample different dishes without overindulging. Another interesting term related to small is the prefix mayan. This prefix means mini or little. It is often used to indicate something that is detailed or tiny. For instance, mpunfaust translates to baby insect. This can be a fun word to use if you are discussing nature or wildlife during your travels. You might also come across the word og, which means young. While it does not directly translate to small, it can sometimes be confused with size. Og refers more to age than to physical size, so keep that in mind when you are using these words. In your travels, understanding these basic Irish phrases can greatly enhance your experience. You will find that locals appreciate when visitors make an effort to speak their language. You might hear Us Rudpula Beg when someone is talking about a small village or Tir Bug when referring to a small country or land. Using these words will help you engage more naturally with the culture around you. It can also make navigating signs or descriptions easier during your journey. Knowing how to say small in Irish is just one of the many ways to immerse yourself in the rich culture of Ireland. So remember, when you want to say small, just use beg. Enjoy your travels and the wonderful connections you will make along the way.